It starts like any other day. You wake up, stretch, and walk over to the bathroom. You turn on the tap, but nothing comes out. No water, no pressure, not a single drop. You check the kitchen sink. Same result. You grab your phone, thinking it's a plumbing issue. But then, the internet floods with the same message from around the world. There is no water. Anywhere. Every river, every ocean, every cloud, even the moisture in the air, gone. Completely vanished. This isn't a drought. It's not a supply problem. This is something else entirely. In a matter of hours, the world will change forever. Here's what happens when the planet suddenly runs out of water. At first, people don't know how to react. Swimmers in pools, oceans, and lakes fall straight onto cracked basins. Boats smash into dry land. Cruise ships tip over. Fishing vessels collapse where water once held them. Thousands die instantly. The seafloor becomes a global graveyard. Social media explodes. Panic spreads from phones to cities. People rush to confirm what they already fear. It's not just their city. It's everywhere. The world has dried out. Meanwhile, in the ocean basins, marine life suffocates. From tiny plankton to massive whales, every living creature is doomed. Coral reefs dry into dust. Fish rot in the sun. The ocean, once full of life, is now an endless desert of salt and bones. Governments scramble to respond. Television screens and emergency alerts interrupt daily programming. World leaders appear with trembling voices urging calm. Some scientists suggest a cosmic anomaly disrupted the molecular structure of water. Others believe it's an unprecedented atmospheric shift. No one really knows. What matters is survival. Riots erupt in grocery stores. People loot bottled drinks, anything with liquid. Juice, soda, energy drinks, even canned soup. Water becomes the most valuable substance on Earth. Hydropower stations immediately shut down. Coal and nuclear plants soon follow. Why? Because water is critical for cooling these massive machines. Electricity fails city by city. Darkness creeps across the globe. Hospitals rely on backup generators, but time is limited. Meanwhile, supermarkets turn violent. Fights break out. Shelves empty within minutes. People flee with bags full of soda and fruit. Anything with even a trace of moisture. Police forces try to contain the chaos, but they're overwhelmed. Armored vehicles roll into the streets. Some areas go under martial law. But that doesn't stop the fear. Inside homes, dehydration begins. Lips crack. Throats sting. Children cry. The last drops of juice are carefully measured. People start Googling survival tips. They learn that the human body can only survive 2 to 5 days without water. But in this heat, even that might be optimistic. Governments, now realizing this is not a local event, launch a desperate mission. The last hope? Underground water. Massive drills are activated to tap ancient aquifers and mantle water reserves. Scientists and soldiers work around the clock. This is the only chance left. At the same time, fires erupt in several cities. But without water, there's no way to stop them. Fire departments are helpless. Entire neighborhoods burn as firefighters watch. Hospitals shut down. Factories halt production. Water treatment plants become useless. Civilization begins to break. In rural areas, people dig into the ground with their bare hands. Some strike mud, others collapse from exhaustion. Villages abandon homes and move into caves, hoping to preserve body moisture in the cool shade. Crops wither. No irrigation. No rain. Even stored grain begins to spoil in the heat. Livestock collapse in fields. Farms are no longer farms, they're graveyards. The planet, once blue, now turns brown. No clouds. No humidity. No life left in the air. With no oceans, Earth's climate system is broken. Temperatures spike. Coastal cities suffer the most. They were built around water, and now they're abandoned wastelands. The moon, which once tugged on tides, now drifts without resistance. Some scientists worry it may spiral out of orbit in the long term. If that happens, Earth's rotation and seasons could destabilize. But we may not survive long enough to find out. 2 days in, people have lost all sense of time. The internet is mostly down. Satellites malfunction. Phones stop working. Cities go silent. And then, hope. A drilling operation in South America hits a deep aquifer. Water bursts from the ground. It's not clean. It smells metallic. But it's cold, wet, and real. Troops distribute it in buckets and plastic jugs. People cry as they drink it, mud and all. Other drills begin to hit similar pockets. The Earth's crust, long ignored, now becomes a savior. Scientists propose cloud seeding with the recovered water. Planes take off, carrying silver iodide. They spray it into the skies. The world watches. And then, finally, a raindrop. Just one. Then another. Within hours, a slow drizzle begins. The first rain Earth has seen since this nightmare began. But even with rain, the damage is done. Millions are dead. Oceans are gone. Species have vanished. Farms are lost. Cities are burned. Civilization is hanging by a thread. And no one knows what caused it. A natural disaster? A cosmic accident? A failed experiment? There are no answers, just survival. Earth will recover. But it will never be the same. And humanity will never again take water for granted.